Joining me now is Kay Hetty. Kay is the administrator of Women's Health Services at the Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness. Kay, welcome to Health Matters.
Thank you.
Dr. Brooks told us about the wonderful new vaccine to prevent most forms of cervical cancer in women and adolescent girls throughout our community. How can people get this vaccine?
Okay, well, we're very excited to be able to say that at 5 of our clinical locations at the Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness that the vaccine is available. And those clinical sites would be the Dixie Health Center, the Neighborhood Place East, Middletown Health Center, Newburg Health Center, and the Highview Health Center. And all of the staff there would be very happy to schedule an appointment for anyone who would call and inquire about this vaccine.
There's been a lot of discussion about the cost of this vaccine, how expensive it is. How expensive is this vaccine?
Okay. The cost of the vaccine, of course, it is a 3-shot series, is $150 per dose. We certainly do encourage people to contact their insurance carriers to see if that vaccine is covered. And we accept all the major insurances. As well as that is the Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness, as you know, participates in the Federal Vaccine for Children program.
Yes.
And that program then allows for vaccine to be provided to those who have no health insurance for children up through their 18th birthday. And if their parents or guardians have no insurance, or if their insurance does not cover the vaccines, and those children who are covered under Medicaid, and in this area Passport would be the most familiar term, then those vaccines are covered under that, and we would be able to provide those certainly to the girls who qualify ages 11 through their 18th birthday at our clinical locations. And we encourage all who fall into those categories to please call us so that we can make those appointments available.
As a matter of fact, it would probably be a good idea if someone is unclear about their eligibility or their daughter's eligibility, they might want to give us a call.
Absolutely, and our professional staff would be very glad to be able to assist them in understanding what it is and who would qualify, and to answer all of their questions around that.
Exactly what is the role of the Department of Public Health and Wellness in this cancer screening collaboration that we've been talking about with Dr. Brooks and Virginia Bradford?
Our role at the health department is that we help to administrate the Kentucky Women's Breast and Cervical Cancer program, and money is provided both from the federal level as well as the state level to be able to assist women who have no insurance, who are income eligible and age eligible to receive these services. And we've been in this business now for about 14 years, and with the partnership in cancer control, where we have partners with the Louisville Primary Care Association members, Family Health Centers, Park Duval, Brown Cancer Center, and with the Kentucky Cancer Program. And we have been able to offer these services to women in that way. And with the addition of Norton Healthcare, it provides the opportunity for these services to be able to be spread out even farther throughout our community, offer additional times and additional locations. And in particular, Norton Healthcare will be able, in January, they will be at 2 of our clinical sites, the Newburg Health Center, as well as at the Dixie Health Center, to be able to offer screening services to women. And they are certainly offer screening services to men as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So it seems that this collaboration is actually dramatically going to expand the accessibility to these very, very important screening services.
It certainly will expand our opportunities in the community for women and for men to be able to access services.
If you'd share with our viewers, where can they get more information, particularly on the cervical vaccine?
The information that they can, or the number that they can call to be able to receive additional information about the cervical cancer vaccine is 574-5380, and that is the number that will connect them directly to the Office of Vaccine and Immunizations.
Well, Kay, I want to thank you very much for being on the program. And remember, if you're a woman between the ages of 11 and 26, get the new cervical cancer vaccine. If you have a daughter in that age range, get the new vaccine for your daughter. This vaccine will save lives, possibly yours or your daughters. And by all means, if you're age 40 or older and haven't been screened for cervical, breast, colon, or prostate cancer in the past year, find out if you're eligible to take advantage of this new collaboration to make cancer screenings more available to people throughout our community. Get screened. You can find out more by calling 502-629-1234. Do it because your health matters.
Metro TV, a public service of Louisville Metro government.